Hello students, welcome back to the history class. In this particular session we will know about the second topic, that is the background, sacrifices and debates. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's start the interesting topic. First you have to remember a particular time period, that is mid-first millennium BCE. Do you know why I have asked you all to remember this? Because this is the time period which is regarded as a turning point in world history. Not only in Indian history, this time period is the turning point for world history because it saw the emergence of thinkers and philosophers like Zarathustra, who was from Iran, and he was also known as Zoroaster. After that, another philosopher was Kongzi from China. Socrates, Plato, Aristotle from Greece. Mahavir and Gautam Buddha from India. These were the group of philosophers and thinkers who emerged in this era. So, the picture of all the philosophers and thinkers you can see on the screen. After that, these were the group of philosophers or thinkers who had also tried to know about the mysteries of existence. Yes, you heard right. They were the people who tried to understand about the relationship between human being and the cosmic world. This was also the time period when there was tremendous change, like new kingdoms and cities were emerged. Social economic life was changing. So these thinkers and philosophers had also attempted to understand about these kind of developments as well. Not only they have tried to understand about the mysteries of existence and the relationship between human being and the cosmic world, but also they had tried to understand about the development which was taking place at that particular period of time. Okay, development in social and economic life, new kingdoms and cities were emerged, so they had also attempted to understand it. Now let's proceed to the first subtopic, that is 2.1, the sacrificial tradition. You have heard about sacrifices, isn't it? So now in this particular subtopic we will know about these sacrifices which was practiced. Like in ancient Indian society, there were certain tradition which was followed by the people of that particular period of time. There were several religious beliefs and practice. In this were included also in early Vedic tradition known as in the Rig Veda. Okay, Rig Veda, which was composed or compiled between 1500 and 1000 BCE, there were also, you can say, about these sacrifices which was practiced by the people. Rig Veda is the relevant source or the main source from where we have known that sacrifices were practiced by the people in that particular period of time. Rig Veda consists of hymns or mantra, okay, same thing, which was written in praise of a variety of deities like Agni, Indra and Som. Many of these hymns were chanted when sacrifices were performed by the people. People used to pray for their cattle, sons, good health, long life and so on. It means that there was certain tradition which was followed in the society. Sacrifices such as Rajasuya and Ashwamedha were performed by chiefs and kings also, who used to depend on Brahmins, and they used to conduct the ritual for them. In our previous chapter, we have known, isn't it, the rulers were from the Kshatriya caste, and they used to depend on the Brahmins, and the Brahmins were the one who used to sacrifices, who used to conduct ritual for the rulers. So this is again connected to the previous chapter, and from here now we are clear with this perspective that there were several rulers and chiefs who depended on Brahmana priests to conduct the ritual or tradition, because sacrifices were practiced in that particular period of time. Also, there are some pictures, okay, which I have shown on the screen. You can just go through it. These pictures are the picture of Rig Veda, okay. So Rig Veda, you can just see the pictures of the Veda, Rig Veda. Now I hope you were clear with this particular subtopic. Tomorrow we will discuss about new questions, okay. This we will start tomorrow, otherwise you will be confused with all the topics and everything will be jumbled up in your mind. Now let's do a quick recap of what we have covered up in this particular session. So we have started the second topic, that is the background, sacrifices and debates. Here at first we have known about the time period, that is mid-1st millennium BCE. This era is often regarded as a turning point in world history. Why? Because it saw the emergence of thinkers and philosophers like Zarathustra from Iran, Kongzi from China, Socrates, Plato and Aristotle from Greece, Mahavir and Gautam Buddha from India. These were the philosophers and thinkers who emerged in this particular time period, that is mid-1st millennium BCE. Just try to remember, okay? So they had also tried to know about the mysteries of existence and also tried to understand about the relationship between human being and a cosmic world. And this was also the time period, we have already discussed this in second and third chapter, that there were new kingdoms and cities which were emerged, and socio-economic life was also changing. So these thinkers had also attempted to understand about all these changes, okay, all these developments as well. Now after that, 2.1, the sacrificial tradition. We have heard about sacrifices. Here we have known that there were several sacrifices which was practiced in ancient Indian society by the people. And the evidence is the Rig Veda, isn't it? The Rig Veda, which was compiled between 1500 and 1000 BCE, is the main source, okay, or the relevant source from where we have known that there was practice, certain tradition which was followed by the people. Religious belief and sacrifices were performed, okay. In Rig Veda, there was also hymns in praise of variety of deities, especially Agni, Indra and Som. Many of these hymns or mantras were chanted by the people when they sacrifices, okay. And they pray for their cattle, sons, good health, long life and so on. Sacrifices such as Rajasuya and Ashwamedha were performed by chiefs and rulers of that particular period of time, and they were dependent on Brahmana priests to conduct the ritual, to perform the sacrifices for them. And here you have also seen some of the picture of Rig Veda. So, I hope you have enjoyed our today's session. See you tomorrow and all the best for your exam, because tomorrow I will conduct the chapter test of lesson 3. So study, okay? And all the best.